Assalamu alaikum. On behalf of Jamia Nooriya, it is my pleasure to invite Azharuddin, the Minister of Minority Affairs, Telangana. He has always been very kind to accept all our invitation. He has been here many times, and today he has become the minister. And this is the first time he is coming after the confinement of his ministership. And on behalf of the whole leaders, we congratulate for your the ministership, and may Allah bless you. And he is also a leader for the minority, not only in Telangana, for the whole Ummah in India. May Allah accept. So on behalf of the committee, I take this opportunity to invite him to inaugurate this session. Assalamu alaikum.
പ്രഭാഷണം പരിഭാഷപ്പെടുത്തുന്നത് അഡ്വക്കേറ്റ് ഓണംപള്ളി മുഹമ്മദ് ഫൈലി അവർ അദ്ദേഹത്തെ ക്ഷണിക്കുന്നു.